AI competition has become a crucial arena for national competitiveness, primarily because advancements in AI technology can drive economic growth, enhance military capabilities, and shape global governance standards. Here are the key reasons why countries prioritize AI dominance. 1. Economic growth and prosperity. AI is driving the emergence of entirely new industries and transforming existing ones. Countries that lead in AI development are positioned to create new job markets, develop high value products and services, and accelerate their economic growth. AI has the potential to significantly boost productivity across various sectors, from manufacturing to services. This leads to lower costs, higher profits, and an overall increase in economic prosperity and living standards. Leadership in AI technologies enhances a nation's competitiveness in the global marketplace. AI-powered products and services provide a significant advantage in international trade. 2. National security and defense. AI can revolutionize military capabilities. The use of AI in autonomous weapon systems, advanced intelligence analysis, cybersecurity, logistics, and targeting can significantly enhance a nation's defense capabilities. Falling behind in AI could pose serious national security risks. AI plays a crucial role in detecting and defending against cyber attacks. Having advanced AI capabilities strengthens a country's resilience to cyber threats. 3. Global influence and geopolitical power. Countries leading in AI development gain significant influence in setting global technology standards, shaping international norms, and providing technology to other nations, thereby increasing their geopolitical power. Advancements in AI technology can strengthen a country's position in international relations and diplomatic negotiations. 4. Technological sovereignty and independence. Having a strong domestic AI ecosystem reduces a nation's reliance on foreign technologies and expertise. This is particularly important for critical infrastructure and the defense industry. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data. Control over and processing of this data is crucial for national security and economic interests. Leading in AI competition provides an advantage in ensuring data sovereignty. 5. Job market and workforce transformation. AI reshapes labor markets. Countries investing in AI education will have a competitive workforce. Failure to adapt risks economic decline. 6. Solving national challenges. Improvements in healthcare, education, transportation, etc. AI offers innovative solutions to many pressing national challenges, such as improving healthcare services, providing personalized learning experiences in education, and optimizing transportation systems. Progress in these areas enhances the quality of life for citizens. 7. Attracting and developing talent. Countries that are successful in AI attract the best researchers, engineers, and entrepreneurs from around the world, boosting the nation's innovation capacity. AI competition encourages countries to develop their own education systems and research infrastructure to cultivate skilled individuals in the field. Do you agree with Elon Musk's words? Artificial intelligence is more dangerous than nuclear weapons? Write in the comments.